Hey everybody, Jeff with Picnic Adventures with a recipe here from my grandmother. It's her potato soup. I'm ahead of it. Here we're going to make a roux. So first we're frying up about 3 pieces of bacon, and then we're going to add flour and milk and make a roux from that. In my wallet.
Yeah, he's here. He could feed you. He looks at me like you're leaving and I'm not fed.
They might get fed.
Oh, I know. Look at that face.
You're not going to feed them before you go? I know, Dusty,
What do we have for them? The fish?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, I think there's some.
Ooh, that's slushy.
Oh, it's Dusty. My God.
Are you going to start it?
No.
No. Put it
Oh,
in.
you didn't. What are you doing? A minute and a half?
No, 30 seconds, but it went longer for some reason. So my Grandma Fleischer's potato soup she made. I've already gone and made the roux right there. I hope y'all can, pretty much see it. I'm not looking at it. And then in this pot here, we have the starts of it. And I'll just go through it. You're going to take 6 medium potatoes peeled and diced, 1 small onion chopped, 2 stalks of celery diced, 2 carrots diced. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of celery salt. But I'm going to tell you right now, instead of the celery salt, there's a ½ teaspoon of seasoned salt. And in place of the seasoned salt, I'm using this Vegeta all-purpose seasoning. I like it a lot better. It brings the flavor of soups out a whole lot. A teaspoon of basil, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can do 2 tablespoons of dried parsley flakes, or you can substitute with Italian seasoning. I used 2 chicken bouillon cubes and 5 cups of water to make a broth, because I just didn't have 5 cups of actually chicken broth or whatever on hand. The roux is 4 to 6 slices of bacon diced, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 cup of milk. You're going to combine your first 11 ingredients into the Dutch oven, bringing it to a boil, cover, reduce to simmer for 20 minutes. And then I'm ahead a little bit, but in a skillet, then you cook your bacon, you remove the crispy bacon, reserve 3 tablespoons of the grease, then you add your flour into the grease, stir until smooth. I combined the flour and the milk in the 1.5 cups of milk and did it. You get it thick, and gradually you're going to add that then to the soup mix. You're going to simmer for another 15 minutes. So that's it. That's what's in there. And then we will come back, and again, I will show you here for all intents and purposes. That's before the broth is in there. There's the roux, and then I'm going to add the liquid. So stay tuned, we'll get you back to the finished product. Hey, let's not forget, it's Saturday the 29th. It's a house divided. Let's go blue. We love our guys in blue. Let's do it. Hey, so it's been 20 minutes simmering after it came to a boil, and now I've added the roux into the pot. I don't know if you can see that with that light on, but now this will go another 15-20 minutes or however long. My wife likes to come along then afterwards with the boat motor and puree it up a little bit. You still want leave some of the chunks in there because that's what's really good, or you can just heat it up, let it simmer like this, and let it be just the way it is. We like it a little bit more creamier, so we run a boat motor in it a little bit. So, and that's it. Enjoy.